Today we're exploring symmetry and how to enhance it through editing. Symmetry makes images feel structured and visually satisfying. Start by straightening your photo so verticals and horizontals align perfectly. Next, crop the frame so both sides feel evenly weighted. Adjust lighting on each side to ensure one half isn't brighter than the other. If your subject is centered, enhance clarity on key features to make the symmetry stronger. For architectural or product shots, perfect alignment can elevate the entire presentation. Symmetry turns ordinary images into polished visuals. Stick around, more composition-focused lessons ahead.